Hey, this is Eddie with Access Property Management. Today we're talking about pricing. How do we come up with pricing? So a lot of new owners say, hey, how can you come up with a rental rate for me, or how do you go about doing that? Really, it's easy. We look at a number of things. One, we're going to look at any comparable homes we currently have in our system, see what those are renting for. We're also going to check essentially Zillow, Rentometer, anything we can find out there that lists current units for rent. Or you as an owner, if you've managed your own home before, the last person you had in there just moved out, you may have some good idea of what you can get. Essentially, we're very open to working with owners on price. We try to come up with a price that we can rent the home out for in a somewhat quick manner. So in doing that, we're very proactive. If the home could be overpriced to begin with, we normally want to drop that rate maybe once a week, but really we're looking for three things once we come up with that listing price. One, are we getting phone calls? Two, are we getting people walking through the home or showings? Three, are we getting applications? So all three of those depend on a few things, one being price, another being condition, how clean the home is. But really we need all three of those things, and normally once we get those, then the price is pretty spot on. Thank you for watching this video. Again, Eddie with Access Property Management.